Good morning, everyone. I'm Ali Shahabana Purba with ID number 21.12.2060. Today, I would like to present our topic about UI/UX designer. UI/UX designer is one of the important professions in the information technology field, especially for information system graduates. In this presentation, I will explain what a UI/UX designer is, their responsibilities, the skill they need, the challenges they face, and their career opportunities in the future. First, what is a UI/UX designer? UI/UX designer is a professional who creates digital products that are useful, easy to use, and visually clear. UI stands for user interface. It focuses on the visual and interactive element of a digital product, such as buttons, colors, typography, icons, and layouts. Meanwhile, UX stands for user experience. It focuses on the user's overall experience when using a product, including their needs, behavior, and how easy the product is to use. In simple words, UI focuses more on how a product looks, while UX focuses on how a product works and feels for the user. Next, job description and skills. Now, I will explain the job description and responsibilities. UI/UX designers need to understand the needs and problems of users. Second, the conduct user research and collect feedback to understand what users really need. Third, they create user flows, wireframes, and prototype before the final product is developed. They also design clear, consistent interface so user can easily understand and navigate the application or website. After creating the design, they conduct usability testing and improve the design based on user feedback. Finally, UI/UX designer work together with developer, product managers, and other teams to make sure the design can be implemented properly. 4. Required skills. There are two main types of skill needed by a UI/UX designer. 1. Hard skills, and 2. Soft skills. For hard skill, designer need to understand UI and visual design principles. They also need to understand UX research, information architecture, wireframing, prototyping, and usability testing. In addition, they need to use design tools such as Figma. For soft skills, communication is very important because designers need to explain their ideas to other team members. They also need empathy to understand users, critical thinking to solve problems, creativity to create solutions, and collaboration skills to work with a team. So, a good UI/UX designer needs both technical skills and interpersonal skills. That's all. 5. Challenge in preferring the skills. Now, I will explain challenge of becoming a UI/UX designer. The first challenge is learning design tools and design principles. It requires consistent practice. The second challenge is understanding real user. Sometimes, designing based only on our own assumption can produce a product that does not meet the user needs. Another challenge is that good design requires repeated testing and important. UI/UX designers also need to balance three important things: user needs, business goals, and technical imitation. Finally, UI/UX fields continues to change, especially with the development of artificial intelligence or AI-assisted design. Next, Career opportunities. A UI/UX designer can develop their career into several different roles. For example, they can become a UI designer, UX designer, product designer, UX researcher, interaction designer, or service designer. They can also work as an accessibility specialist or focus on new areas such as AI, UX design. This means that UI/UX design provides many career opportunities in the digital industry. Next, future trends. Artificial intelligence is becoming an important part of the design workflow. AI can help designers with brainstorming, generating ideas, and handling repetitive tasks. However, human-centered design will still be important because designers need to understand the user and their problem. Accessibility and inclusive design are also becoming increasingly important. In the future, new roles may appear around and conversational digital products. Therefore, future UI/UX designer need both strong design skill and the ability to work effectively with AI. To conclude, UI/UX design is important IT profession because digital products need to be useful, accessible, and easy to understand. A successful UI/UX designer needs technical design skills, but also empathy, communication, creativity, and problem solving skill. As technology continues to develop, UI/UX designer will continue to have important roles in achieving better digital experience. Thank you for attention. I hope our presentation helped about understand more about the UI/UX designer profession. Thank you.